Success is never an accident. It's the result of hard work, dedication, and relentless determination. Too often, we see successful people and assume that they got lucky or were handed their achievements on a silver platter. But the truth is, behind every success story lies countless hours of effort, sacrifice, and perseverance. Success requires vision, a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, and the willingness to pursue it with unwavering focus. It requires discipline, the ability to stay committed to your goals even when the going gets tough, and the temptation to give up is strong. And perhaps most importantly, it requires resilience, the capacity to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failure, and keep pushing forward no matter what obstacles may stand in your way. So, if you want to achieve success, don't wait for it to happen by chance. Roll up your sleeves, set your sights on your goals, and get to work. Success is within your reach, but it's up to you to make it happen. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's the result of small, consistent actions taken day in and day out, and it's within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. So don't wait for success to find you. Go out there and create it for yourself. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Success is earned through hard work, dedication, and resilience. So, roll up your sleeves, set your goals, and get to work. Your success story is waiting to be written.